All right, you want to get into Super Galactic. I get it. You want to get into this game because you want a pay-to-earn game. You want to play video games and earn money by just playing. That doesn't involve clicking. It actually involves shooting things. I understand. This video is going to tell you how much money it takes to get it, how to buy the UFO token in order to get into the ecosystem, and that's what we're going to cover in this video. All right, here we go. So not paid to say anything. I will put videos related to MetaMask wallet if you're on YouTube, and research your own stuff. I research my own stuff. I'm reading the documents like a third-ish time, going through it, asking questions. Now the community got this answer. This is the base NFT character, the thing you need to start to play to earn. It costs 14631874 UFO tokens. We're going to be talking about how to get those UFO tokens in this video. UAP is another video for another time. I'll be doing lots of content related to this game coming up relatively soon related to the document. So subscribe if you want to hear more about that stuff. All right. Number 2, you need some MetaMask stuff. You're going to get the MetaMask wallet. And when you get the MetaMask wallet, you're going to download it and make sure it's related to your browser, either Chrome, Firefox, Brave, or Edge. Number 3, you're going to need an on-ramp. An on-ramp basically takes regular money, like USD or Euro, and turns it into cryptocurrency. And the cryptocurrencies you're going to need to buy are Ethereum for fees and USD coin for the actual amount you want to buy things for. Again, you're going to need Ethereum and USD. Under USDC, at the time of the video, is $54 for this magic number, but I always want to constantly check the price because the prices change all the time. I'm going to go to the official site of UFO. I'm going to click on their links. Under the links, there is Uniswap. I click under Uniswap. I select the token I want to use, which is USDC, and I go to UFO, and I'm going to type the magic number in, 14631874. Once I have that, it's going to be about $56. And I just want to note, you might want to put in $60, maybe $64 to make sure you're not short money in case this actually accidentally jumps up in price value, and you don't want to have to redo this again to make up for the lost amount of money that you needed, yada, yada, yada. You're going to actually grab in your MetaMask wallet, make sure it's Ethereum mainnet. And what you're going to do is you're going to grab this address. You're going to go to your on-ramp. You're going to paste that address in here, and then you just send. And when you send it, bada bing, bada boom, you're going to find there's a Ethereum price that related to a smart contract. You pay that smart contract fee, click, click, and you're good. The smart contract fee was $10 when I started. It ended up being $12.43. So again, you want to buy more Ethereum than what's needed, okay? And again, it's like 0.003534. It happens here again. You're going to need money for the gas. Notice what I did here, though. I actually sent more Ethereum than needed because I realized there's going to be a gas fee. So if I see these two prices here, I would say safely $60 or $80, but double check. Type in things and see what the fees are because, again, you don't want to be short. I actually was short and I had to sell some ADA and do this twice, okay? So what ends up happening is that now that I have this fee covered and this fee covered, I can finally have my purchase. So it's the same thing as I did before. I'm going to copy my wallet here for Ethereum this time on my on-ramp. I'm going to paste it here where it's asking for Ethereum, and then I'm going to send that money. Once I send that money, I'm able to buy the purchase, okay? And if I want to check my purchase, I look at etherscan.io. Again, make sure this link is right. If I go to etherscan.io, you can also click in your wallet itself. It'll show you how much of the currency that you have that you wanted, okay? And you just basically find the UFO token, like token the truth. I click on that, and it's going to show me this, okay? And if you can't find it, you can do a search. I'll find another link or video to help you out with that. Like or subscribe if you found this video was helpful. I know I went a little fast. Put questions or comments wherever you can see it. And I will be doing more in-depth document reading. Let's reads for the people that it's hard to read, right? All right. Hope to see you in the next Let's Read. Bye.